Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Let's make some adorable apple pinch pots. Use air drying clay or salt dough. So to make your apple pinch pots you will need a ball of clay which is nice and soft to work with. I've also taken a little bit off for the leaf and the stem, but we'll firstly make the bowl. So turn your clay into a nice neat ball. If you're firing this in the oven, that you need to make sure there's no air pockets in your ball. But if you're just using air drying clay like we are today, you basically make your ball, and as you can see, you start using your thumbs to shape your bowl. So you shape it until you've kind of got a nice deep bowl that you kind of like the shape of. I think this is quite good. So you've got your this is your basic pinch pot. Really simple, really easy. That was really fun. We just squeezed our thumbs in and just worked with our fingers to get the sides up. So now you've got your basic pinch pot. You now want to make it into an apple shape. To do that, I'm just taking my hands and I'm just going to squeeze it and then poke this in and this bit in there. Here we go. That was again nice and easy. You might want to get a bit of water so you can smoothen down all your edges. Then you just make a little stem. Cross hatch. This will help it stay a bit more secure. And the same on the back of the stem. And then you stick it on. And also, I do like to smoothen it down. You need to make sure it's really smoothly secured so it doesn't break off. Then I make a little leaf. Like a little teardrop. And I'm going to take my knife and just make some little leaf indentations. And then again, cross hatch a little bit just to help secure your leaf on, and gently squeeze the leaf on. I do like to just sort of smudge it down a little bit as well, just to make sure it really is secured. And if you want, you can turn it around and repeat the same process at the bottom. You really don't want these to break off later because you haven't put your pieces together neatly. There you go, that's your basic apple bowl. Isn't that adorable? Now we're going to let this dry and then we're going to paint it. I'm going to use some acrylic paints and some enamel paints because these are the paints I've got. I've got white, brown and red, and I'm going to use green as well. If you don't have these paints, that's fine. Use ordinary paints and mix in a little bit of blue. So here they are again. The first one is made by me, the second one by my 7-year-old daughter, and the last one by my 9-year-old son. Great for all age groups, super cute, and they make lovely little gifts.